Okay, so in another video I showed you how to create an object, create properties for the object, and access the values inside of that object. Here I'm going to show you how you would access the function of a method. Now a method is basically the same thing as a property. The only difference is that the value for that property is a function. Right down here I've got the object, and inside I've got what appears to be a property, but instead of your usual value like string, numbers, the array of Boolean values, ones that I'd shown in another video, what you have here is a function instead, and inside of that function is code that will execute. Here in this case I've got a return statement that's just returning back a string. Now to access this method you would do basically what you do for a property, but you're going to add a parenthesis at the end. Okay, so right down here we see on line 9 I've got the reference to my object and then the reference to the method, and it alerts it out returning back this string here. Now this is using dot notation, so again it's looking just like you would access a property. What you have here is accessing a method, but it's got the parentheses open and closed right here. For bracket notation, the parentheses is actually going to be right after the closing bracket. Let's see what that looks like when I run it. And then it shows here the string, which is inside the function. If a property's value is a function, it is called a method. We're going to see that here one more time for bracket notation. There we are.